In this video, I will show you how to change picture background on Capcut. So if you want to change background of a image in Capcut, after you insert the image, here is the image now. Right click on the image, go to copy and click on this timeline, right click and paste the image. So now you duplicate the image. So now click on the paste image and hide the first image. After you hide the first image, now select the second image and then go to this video, remove BG and click on this auto removal. So now you remove the background. So now come back and unhide the first image. So now select the first image again and then go to this basics, scroll to down and click on this canvas. After you check on this canvas, now click on this arrow and go to color. So from this option, scroll to down and choose the color you want to add. So let's say I want to add this color. After you select the color has been applied. Now click on this mask, go to off and click on this add mask. Then click on this rectangle, scroll to down and click on this reverse. So now drag this arrow back. So now you change the background of the image. So now if you want to change the background again to other color, just select the first clip and then go to this basics, scroll to down. So here it will give you different color. So just go ahead and choose the color you want to use for your video. So let's say after you just select the clip, after you finish selecting the color, if you want to just use this image as an overlay to your video, all you have to do, just select all the video, all the images, right click, go to create compound clip. So now you create compound clip for the picture. So now you can use this picture as an overlay to your video. And that's it, guys. Be sure to like and subscribe if this video helps out.